In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your audio devices on Microsoft Teams to ensure crystal clear sound quality, whether for meetings, calls, or presentations. This guide will walk you through the process to make sure you can hear and be heard with precision. First things first, open up Microsoft Teams. Once you're in, direct your attention to the taskbar on the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see a number of different icons, but for today, we're interested in the Calls tab. Go ahead and click on that. The Calls tab will bring up your calling options and settings, which is exactly where we need to be to optimize your audio experience. Now, as you look towards the bottom end of the taskbar, you'll see an option labeled Custom Settings. Click on it, and then move on to Device Settings. This section allows you to customize your input and output for audio devices, an essential step for ensuring you have the best possible audio quality. Under the Audio Devices section, you'll need to decide which speaker or output device you want to use. This could be your computer's built-in speakers, headphones, or perhaps a high-quality external speaker. The choice here depends on your environment and preferences, but selecting a reliable device will enhance your overall audio clarity. Next, it's time to choose your microphone or input device. This is what will transmit your voice to others on the call. Again, you might opt for a built-in microphone, a headset mic, or even a professional-grade standalone microphone, depending on your needs and resources. It's vital to select one that offers clear, distortion-free sound to ensure your communication is as smooth as possible. After you've made your speaker and microphone selections, you might want to explore a couple of optional features to enhance your audio. First, there's noise suppression. This feature is incredibly useful if you're in a noisy environment, as it helps eliminate background sounds, ensuring that only your voice comes through clearly during calls. There's also an option to automatically adjust microphone sensitivity. This means the system will intelligently manage the mic levels for optimum audio performance, so you won't have to worry about adjusting it manually all the time. Finally, if your version of Teams has this feature available, click on Make a Test Call. This allows you to speak and then listen to a playback, so you can confirm that both your microphone and speakers are functioning perfectly. It's a handy little feature that ensures everything is set up correctly before you head into your actual calls or meetings. And there you have it. With these settings properly configured, you'll be well equipped to handle any communication tasks with confidence and professionalism on Microsoft Teams. Thanks for tuning in today, and enjoy your seamless calling experience.